Hey, Miggy Baby is back once again. In this video, I'll be sharing with you all growth and development of my 3.6 years old Miggy Baby. If you want to check out 3 years old development of Miggy, then you can just check out the video in the description box under this video. So now let me share with you all some of the physical milestones. At this age, they can run and walk without tripping over their own feet. They can jump, hop and stand on one foot too. They can walk backward and climb stairs one foot after the other. They can pedal a tricycle too. They can easily kick and throw a small ball. But when it comes to catching, they can catch a big ball most of the time, but small ball is a bit difficult for them to catch now. By the age of 3 to 3.6, you can start teaching your little one about season. They should be knowing about morning, evening, night. By the age of 3.6, your little one should be knowing number 1 to 9. They can recognize about half the letters in alphabets and also start to connect letter to their sounds.
P O T A T O.
And by the age of 4, kids often know all the letters of the alphabet and their correct order. Well, if you all want to know in detail what your 3 to 3.6 years old baby should be knowing by now, you can check out the video in the description box below. Where it is paining, Mickey?
Yes.
Why? What happened?
When I was playing with my new friend,
They can now express their pain and also explain how they got hurt. Mickey,
Yeah,
where are you sitting?
I'm enjoying the plant.
You're enjoying the plants.
Yeah, and the trees.
And the trees.
Yeah, and the cars.
Wow. 3.6 years old are now talking in simple sentences, but they often stumble over their words. All babies are different, so some 3 to 3.6 years old can speak very clearly, while others still uses some baby talk. My Miggy Baby asks questions beginning with what, who, where and why. He can also talk about yesterday and tomorrow. Moving on to the writing part, by 4 years, a child can hold a pencil correctly. Before that, their finger grip, their hand grip is not fully developed, so no need to force them to write. There are some pre-writing activities that will help your little one to write step by step. You can check out the link in the description box given below. During this year, they will learn to cut with scissors. Be careful that you give your little one child-friendly scissors.
I'm a cute baby. My name is Middat Patan. I am 3 years old. I live in.
They can easily learn myself. What do you like to eat?
I like to eat cashew nut, jaggery, peanut, and I like to drink Bonmita, white dudu.
Oh, you like to drink Bonmita and white dudu? And where do you like to go?
I like to go.
Your 3.6 years old are developing a sense of humor and like to laugh at and repeat silly words and situations. They can also now fool you, like they can say, I have drank my milk, and when you go and see, they'll say, I was joking. For 3 to 4 years old babies, their own inner world is very powerful. Sometimes it is very difficult for them to distinguish between real and pretend. They are not lying on purpose. Like they can make their own imaginary stories and they can think that those stories are real. So you can use pretend play game as an opportunity. Like you can feed your little one by saying if you eat food, you will become a superhero and they'll eat it. Next example is when he's not in a mood of writing, I say this color is an aeroplane and it's gonna land on letter B. And he enjoy doing this activity and this way he does his writing activity too. They are starting to take responsibility of their own toileting, but may have accidents during the day and be wet at night. So we as a parents must be calm and teach them in a light tone. Now let's move on to very important point. Why do my baby do a lot of mischief? Is it normal or it's just my baby who does so much mischief? So your 3+ year old baby is very active and it's absolutely normal that they do lot of mischief. And this is because they are filled with lot of energy and they want to use it. And because they are filled with so much life and energy, you can use it as an opportunity to make your little one brilliant. At this age, they are gonna learn everything quickly, physically and mentally, so support them. I would like to give you all some suggestion on encouraging and supporting your child's development and reduce their mischief. Play simple games with your little one that has rules so that your child can learn basis of cooperative play. Play turn game with them so that they learn to wait for their turn. Both of you one by one is gonna put 3 beads in the bowl, okay? Such games helps them to learn patience. If you want, I'll drop the link of games to play with your little one in the description box below. Now wait for your turn, okay? Now if your turn. As I said you that at this age they are very active and energetic, but at the same time they are not very good at packing themselves and will get tired and cranky if not offered enough quiet activities.
Once upon a time there was a family. They saw their friend. Then they saw the moon. Hi Adele.
You can provide your little one with music, songs, pictures and storybooks, and also give them plenty of opportunities for drawing and painting. Talk to your child patiently, answer questions and help them express their feelings. Also teach them how to make up after hurting someone's feeling.
Why you crying, Daddy? Why you crying, Daddy?
Give them lot of love and care. If you found the video useful, please do subscribe my channel and do like the video.